thanks.
I'd kill you.
Thanks a lot. That's a car alarm.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why can't you just turn off the fucking alarm? The alarm is so... I'm fucking done with you. I'm done. I'm done.
Makes me run.
We're gonna fucking drive away with the fucking alarm.
You can't start the car with the alarm on.
You can't start the car with the alarm on?
Some guy tried doing that, and his car stalled in the middle of the street. Some old fucking guy.
What are you doing? Are you taking a video?
Yeah, this is great.
She's definitely like, yo, I'm fucking dick sitting. You're a dick. You are a dick.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I would be so embarrassed right
Thanks
now.
for calling, thanks.
I just need a cigarette right now. I just fucking need a cigarette. I'm gonna walk away and I'm just gonna fucking smoke a cigarette and pretend like you didn't exist. The fucking alarm is so loud, but you don't exist right now.
Where are they?
Yeah, she's standing on the fucking curb like fucking dick. I'm on the phone.
Thank you.
This dick totally
Go
fucking...
again, go again.
Thank you.
I just know it.
Thank you for calling, thanks. We know how to set off car alarms.
Where is this? Oh, let's get the fucking...
Unbelievable.
The woman,
I'm so fucking
the woman of the hour.
After this, you're a fucking moron. Do you hear this? Do you fucking hear this? Do you hear this?
Look, the guys, people are leaving.
No.
Is the guy leaving?
Hey, is it over?
Peace.
No, it ain't over.
Gotcha.
It's over.
I know. But it's like I can't really like turn and watch. But I'm really like enjoying it. It's a good time.
This is so fucking good.
Are you still taking a video?
Can they walk away now?
I like the voice that you gave her
We're
too.
just getting in the car now. We're just gonna get in the car and we're just gonna fucking drive. We're going. We're done.
Oh. Thank you. Thanks.
Drive away with I can't believe it's still
Thanks.
fucking going off.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for calling, thanks.
Look, and they're gonna
Are
drive
you
around
still
this.
videoing this?
Dude. It's gonna come back.
If this isn't on YouTube
You
tonight,
can't even hear it. You can't even hear it. And it's gonna come back, and it's gonna be so fucking loud again. Look, it's like a fucking
It's like,
fire
watch out,
truck.
I'm coming, guys.
Thank you.
Guys.
Hey, guy, your car alarm is going off. I'm pretty sure it's still going.
I can't believe it.
You're not a police officer.
I'm in physical pain.
I hope they get pulled over.
They're gonna.
Well, that was in a movie. What was that movie?
What was the name?
Thank you.
Thank you for
Oh.